Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Arculus wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus wallet and Kraken accounts set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that everything is in order. Open your Arculus wallet app or website and log in securely. Step 1. Navigate to your dashboard and locate your USDT balance. You'll want to ensure you have enough funds for the withdrawal, plus any network fees. Remember, USDT typically uses the Tron or Ethereum network, so keep an eye on those fees, they can vary. Next, head over to the Withdraw or Send section. Select USDT as the asset you're transferring. Now, you'll need your Kraken wallet address. Hop over to your Kraken account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the USDT address. Pro tip: always verify the network compatibility. Make sure it's the same one your USDT is on to avoid any issues. Back in Arculus, paste that Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to authenticate this with a PIN, biometric scan, or two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will process. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this should only take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, check your Kraken account to confirm the USDT has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. If you run into any hiccups, always reach out to customer support from either platform. Thanks for watching, hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.